Season 2, Episode 4. As you may see, we have found a whole crowd of birds.
Yeah.
We can't probably catch one. Because after all, we are the bird catchers. If we don't be ashamed. There's always next time.
In the night, in the dark, in the day, in the light, there is birds everywhere. So we gotta strike them down before they strike us down. That's how life is, so deal with it with the time ticking down. So strike them down in the night, no one's around. There are birds in the sky, so we gotta strike them down. First step is sneak up on your prey.
Sneak up on the target. This one's our victim.
Throw it.
Wait, Abby, stop.
Get away.
Look at them all going like cowards.
Yeah.
If you guys don't...
It's the wild bar from season 1. I think we should investigate it.
Yo. This one. We can't throw anything towards the fences because we can lose the thing. Alright guys, this is the aiming test. 3, move. Alright, that wasn't good. Not a good throw. See if we can hit again. Alright, come on, Ashton. So
Yeah.
here's... That was a hit, ladies and gentlemen. That was a hit.
This could be some bird fluid.
Look at that. The birds used their samples, and now we stole it from them. Alright, we can leave this here for anything. Let's go back to camp.
Yeah.
Let's go to walk to camp. We've never done that before.
Yeah, we've never.
This is an investigation of our neighborhood. Well, really the birds' neighborhood, but we come here and catch them since after what they've done. Let's get real and head back to camp. Alright. Beautiful. Alright guys, well, we've headed back to camp. I just fell. We gotta, I guess I'm just very tired of chasing birds.
See you next time.
See you
Goodbye,
next episode.
my bird catchers. This is the end of the line. Come back later in the day. Just a reminder, be safe in today.